Myself Dr. Preeti Srivastav, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Biology Squad. Dear students, today I am going to discuss some more terms in relation to the chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants for class 11th. Please like and subscribe my channel. Number of terms depending upon the condition of stamens I am going to discuss like Epipetalous, Epiphyllous, Synandrous, Syngenesious as well as Gynandrous with the help of field study. I hope you will like this video too much. I am going to show you flower of Dhatura plant, and this plant bears epipetalous condition. The stamens are borne on the petals. Let me open this flower. Yes, just you see, these are the stamens. Stamens are here, and these stamens are attached to the corolla. These are borne on the petals. It is attached here. It is attached with the petals. Just you look here. So this is treated as epipetalous condition of the flower. Just like this. I have torn one petal and this is attached or this is borne on this petal. This condition is treated as epipetalous condition. This is lily, and just you see, these are the petals. These are the petals and stamens borne all along the petal. It is attached totally with the petal. It is inserted all along the petal. So this condition is treated as epiphyllous condition. This is the feminine part. This is feminine part, and these are the stamens, and the stamens are inserted along with this petal. This is epiphyllous condition. This is cucurbit plant belonging to family Cucurbitaceae, जिसमें कद्दू वगैरह होते हैं. Just I am going to show you the condition of stamen, that is known as synandrous. Synandrous means anther and filament both are joined together. This is the flower. Just have a look on this anther condition. The anther is here, you see, all the anthers are joined together and the filaments are also joined. So this condition is known as synandrous condition. One more type of stamen condition I am going to show you. This is the flower of marigold, family Asteraceae, composite family. You look here, the anthers are joined together and they are forming a column like structure, and whereas the filaments remain free. The filaments are free and the anthers are joined together. This forms the syngenesious condition of anther. Now, one more example of Asteraceae family I have here. This is a plant known as a Tridax. It is Tridax and it is also known as coat buttons. Tridax. You see here, the anthers are joined together and their filaments are free. So this is the syngenesious condition of the anther. This is very interesting. condition of stamen. You look here, this is the flower of Calotropis, हिंदी में जिसको अकबन या आक का पौधा बोलते हैं, आक मदार. And this is the flower. Stamen is born on the gynoecium. It is related with the pistil. There is a connection with the help of internode like structure with the stamen as well as gynoecium. Therefore, this condition is known as gynandrous condition of the stamen. There are some more terms related to stamens, different types of stamens. In my next video, I will discuss about different kinds of stamens. Till then, bye.